Deep beneath the Earth's surface lies one of the world's most valuable resources, crude oil. Finding it requires advanced geological surveys and precision technology. Once a potential reserve is identified, drilling begins. Powerful rigs bore deep into the ground, reaching layers formed over millions of years. Crude oil is then brought to the surface. Pumping systems work continuously, extracting this raw energy resource from deep underground. After extraction, the crude oil is stored in large tanks, awaiting transportation to processing facilities. For international transport, massive oil tankers move millions of barrels across oceans, connecting global energy networks. At the refinery, crude oil enters a complex system of processing units, where its transformation begins. Through fractional distillation, crude oil is heated and separated into different components, each with unique properties and uses. These refined products, including gasoline, diesel, and LPG, are then distributed through an extensive supply network. From fueling vehicles to powering homes, petroleum products play a vital role in modern life.